Welcome to my channel, iGallery. Caution: before you begin, discharge your iPhone battery below 25%. A charged lithium-ion battery can catch fire and/or explode if accidentally punctured. Power off your iPhone before beginning disassembly. Remove the two 6.8mm long pentalobe P2 screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Use a hairdryer or a heat gun to heat the bottom edge of the iPhone for 90 seconds or until the screen is slightly too hot to touch. Insert an eye opener into the gap. The watertight adhesive holding the display in place is very strong. Creating this initial gap takes a significant amount of force. If you're having a hard time opening a gap, apply more heat and gently rock the screen up and down to weaken the adhesive until you create enough of a gap to insert your tool. Opening the iPhone's display will compromise its waterproof seals. Have replacement seals ready before you proceed past this step, or take care to avoid liquid exposure if you reassemble your iPhone without replacing the seals. Use a Y000 screwdriver to remove two 1.1mm screws from the front sensor connector cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the remaining two screws from the front sensor connector cover. Use a Y000 screwdriver to remove the three 1.3mm screws securing the battery connector cover. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your iPhone. Check or verify whether the new in-cell screen is okay or not before installing back to iPhone. The old screen of the iPhone was not original, so we can't copy or modify True Tone and can't be replace old screen IC. Touch function is okay. Assemble back the screen with front sensor assembly. Use a Y000 screwdriver to remove the three 1.4mm long screws securing the from sensor assembly bracket. Heat an eye opener and apply it to the top edge of the screen for 2 minutes. A hairdryer, heat gun, or hot plate may also be used, but be careful not to overheat the phone. The display is susceptible to heat damage. Insert an opening pick between the ambient light sensor and its recess in the screen. Pry up with the pick to separate the ambient light sensor from the screen. Assemble back all the screw and the clips back to its original place. Remember to place the screw in its place. Mismatched screw may damage the motherboard. We didn't place back the water resistance adhesive. Due to pricing reason, client was okay with it. Pack the screen firmly. and screw back the two 6.8 millimeter long pentalobe P2 screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Please subscribe my channel for more and more repair videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.